Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your character in Once Human. First of all, go ahead and launch open the Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the game, tap on the menu button at the top right corner and this will open up this expanded menu where you can tap on Cosmetics. Once you're inside this Fashion tab, select from the categories of clothing that you want to change to for your character. You can browse through the Fashion tab and select the item you want to equip for your character. After you are done with selecting your outfit from the Fashion tab, now go to the Styling button at the top and then you will see the Edit Appearance button at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now you can customize your character's facial features, body, hair and makeup. Simply go ahead and choose the category that you want to edit from the top of the screen. You can go ahead and select from the presets and then edit your character's appearance by tapping on body at the top. You can increase or decrease the height of your character, their fitness by dragging in the slider right next to fitness, length of the legs, and you can also customize the head size, neck length, neck thickness, waist size, hip, chest, arms and legs, etc. Go ahead and customize your full body of your character and then move on to the face tab at the top. Now you can go ahead and customize the other face elements such as hairlines, foreheads, temples, cheekbones, etc. You can also go ahead and customize the eye size, nation height, depth, width, thickness, etc. Make necessary adjustment, and you can even create a character that looks like you by choosing the elements. Now move on to hair and makeup at the top. Select your skincare, choose your skin texture, adjust your skin color balance, and so on. You can also add freckles in your character's skin. To make it more realistic, you can also go ahead and scan through the scars option, and if you want, you can also add scars to your character. Similarly, you can select the hairstyles, makeup, eyebrow color and intensity, add eyeliner to your character, and so on. You can also add blushes and lipstick to your character and give them a better look. Finally, after you are done, you can go ahead and save your changes. Click on the Edit Appearance preset button and click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to customize your character in Once Human. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.